You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to fix the reminder app not showing in notifications on iPhone. Open the Settings app, tap Notifications, scroll down and find Reminders. Tap it, ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Under Alerts, select Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Check your notification style. Also, ensure Do Not Disturb is off. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and check the moon icon. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.